Welcome to an exclusive tour of this breathtaking $70 million mansion in Newport Beach, California. This ultra-luxurious estate is located in the prestigious, guard-gated community of Crystal Cove and offers unmatched oceanfront views, world-class architecture, and resort-style amenities. This modern masterpiece features grand living spaces, 7 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, an infinity-edge pool, a private home theater, a wine cellar, a wellness spa, and state-of-the-art smart home technology. Every inch of this architectural marvel is designed for luxury, elegance, and comfort. Imagine waking up to panoramic ocean views and enjoying California's ultimate luxury lifestyle. This Newport Coast mega mansion is a true trophy estate and one of the most exclusive oceanfront properties in Southern California. Subscribe Trusted Homes USA for more ultra-luxury home tours. Like, comment, and share if this is your dream home. Property location: 6 Midsummer Newport Coast, Newport Beach.